Hello everyone, my name is Rohan from CS4 Batch. Today in this video, I will be telling you how to install Kali Linux in your systems. Let me open my PPT. So there it is. What will be your system requirements to install it? On the low hand, you can get set up a Kali Linux as a basic secure shell server with no desktop using a little as 120 MB of RAM, 112, 15 MB card recommended, and 2 GB of disk space. On the higher end, if you want OPT to install the default desktop and the Kali Linux default meta package, you should really aim for at least 2 GB of RAM and 20 GB of disk space. Installation prerequisites. This guide will make you also follow an assumption when installing Kali Linux. Use the AMD64 installer image, CD, DVD, drive, USB, board splitter, single disk to install to connect it to a network with DHCP and DNS enabled, which has outbound internet access. Preparing for the installation. Kali Linux installation procedure. How to install this? Let's see. Boot. To start your installation, boot with your choosing installation medium. You should be greeted with a Kali Linux boot screen. Choose either graphical install or install text mode. In this example, we choose the graphical install. Like this, you can see the photo. If you are using the live image instead, you will see another mode live, which is also the default boot option. Like this, you will see this type of interface. Then select your preferred language. This will also be used for both the setup process and once you are using Kali Linux. Like this interface will be there. You have to choose your language. Specify your geographical location. Select your location. Select your keyboard layout. Network. The setup will now prompt your network interface, looks for your DHCP service, and then prompt you to enter a host name for your system. In the example below, we have entered Kali as a host name, like this. Configure the network. Please enter the host name like this. We have entered the Kali host name. You may optically provide the default domain name for the system to use. Values may be put in from DHCP or if there is an existing operating system pre-existing like this. User account. Next, create the user account for the system, full name, user ID, and a strong password. Like this, set up a user password and user account will be created for you to use instead of the root account of non-administrative activities. Set up user password, use strong password should be there. Clock. Next is secure time zone. What's your time zone according to your country? Disk. The installer will now probe your disk and offer you various choices depending on your setup. Partition disk. The installer can guide you through partitioning a disk using different standard schemes, or if you prefer, you can do it manually with guided patience partitions. You will still have a chance to review and customize the result. Select the disk to be partitioned. Note that all the data on the disk you select will be erased, but not before you have confirmed that you really want to make the changes. Then partition decision. Select the partition like this virtual to convey the disk can be partitioned using one of the several different schemes. Like his interface will be there, 90% concrete partition. Next, you will have one last chance to review your disk configuration before the installer makes irreversible changes. After you click continue, the installer will go to the work and you will have an almost finished installation. encrypted LVM, proxy information. Coordination uses this as central repository to distribute applications. You will need to enter any appropriate proxy information as needed, like this. Configure the package manager. If you need to use HTTP proxy to access the outside world, enter the proxy information here. Otherwise, leave this blank. Meta package. Next, you can select which meta package you would like to install. The default selections will install standard file in the system, and you don't really have to change anything here. Software selection. At the moment, only the core of the system is installed. The default selection below will install Kali Linux with its standard desktop environment and the default tools, boot information. Next confirm the install the group bootloader. Install the group bootloader. It seems that this new installation is the only operating system on the computers. If so, it should be safe to install the group bootloader to your primary drive like this. Select the hard drive to install the bootloader. It does not by default select any drive. Reboot. Finally, click continue to reboot into your new Kali Linux installation like this. So that's it. That's it. How you install the Kali Linux system in your system. So it has some application like Kali Linux has some application like virtual machines. And if you wanted to install in your Mac Mac hardware, so there will be another steps to install it like this. You can see PPT. There is also dual boot in Kali Linux. Let me show you. This is like another way to install Kali Linux in your systems. This has Linux procedure. This is the now G parted like this. So this is a this is this video. I have tell you that how to install your Kali Linux in your systems. So that's it. Thank you.